What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a Samsung Galaxy S9. I'm going to show you how to hard reset this, just in case for some reason you forgot your password and you can't get back into your phone, so you're going to have to reset this to bypass it. Okay? So right now you try to turn off the phone, it's going to ask you for a password. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut off the phone manually. So to do that, you're going to have to press the power and volume down and Bixby key. Okay? What that's going to do is that's going to reset the phone manually. Okay? So we're going to go power or volume down, Bixby, and power button. So we're going to do that, and then I'll show you. Okay? So we'll go volume down, Bixby, and power. And what that does is that resets the phone. Okay? That's the first step you need to do. So we'll just wait for it to turn on. So to get this into restore mode, the phone has to be off before you put it on this setting. So that's why I'm showing you how to shut it down manually. Because if you try to do it with the phone on, it's not going to work. So we'll just wait for it to boot up, and then I'll show you how to do the rest. Okay? So again, power. I try to shut it down. It's going to ask me for a password, which I can't remember or forgot. So again, we're going to manually shut it down by pushing the volume down, Bixby, and power button at the same time. Now when that phone shuts off and the screen goes off, what you're going to do right after that is you're going to go volume up, Bixby, and power button. Right when you see the Samsung screen, okay? So we're going to go, it's on right now, we're going to go volume up, volume down, Bixby, and power button. We're just going to hold it together till it shuts down. When it shuts down, we're going to let go of the volume down button and hold the volume up button while we're still holding Bixby and the power button. And then we're just going to wait for the phone to turn on. And once it turns on, keep holding it. It's going to go to this mode right here. Now we're in the restore mode. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to start by going down till you see wipe data factory reset. Okay? Once you see that, you're going to click the power button. And you're going to go down, factory, data, reset. Okay? And it's going to do its thing. Once that's done, you're going to go down again to clear cache partition. Okay? Once you get down to there, push the power button. And then click down and click yes. Okay? So once you clear that, you're going to see reboot system now. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click the power button on reboot system now, and what it's going to do, it's going to reset the phone for you. So now we're just going to wait for the phone to reboot. Welcome back, guys. If you guys are new to this channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Follow me. I'm always coming up with new content all the time. Try to keep this educative and informative for you guys. Hopefully this is helpful. If your Samsung S9 Plus is stuck on the password and you forgot it for some reason, you changed it and you forgot or whatever, this is the way to bypass it. Now remember, once you do this, it's going to wipe everything off the phone. Okay, so you're going to, all your old pictures, text message, and everything, they're all going to be deleted. So make sure you know that before you attempt this process. Maybe try the password a few times first, and if you forget and if it resorts to this, then this is the way to do it. So we're just going to wait for it to boot up, and once it boots up, it should take you back to the factory setting. And once it gets there, I'll show you how to finish it off. So this rebooting process might take a minute. We'll just let it boot up. Hit the like and subscribe, guys. Leave a comment if you think this video is good. Let's try to get my followers to 1,000, if that's not asking too much, guys. Alright guys, we're back, good to go. As you can tell, I sped it up a bit, but like I said, this might take a few minutes, so just be patient and you'll get here. And then we'll do as usual. We'll go ahead and go through the activation. I'll just put this password in. Oh. And we'll just go ahead and connect. Oh, incorrect password. Let me try that again. Okay, so now we're connected. Okay, so it says it's been factory reset. Now if you have your Google lock there, just put in your password. And then you would just skip this, skip. And then I'll just skip everything just to show you. I got a video coming out pretty soon too now if you guys are looking to Google bypass the Google lock in case you forgot yours. I got a video that should be coming out soon. If you guys are looking forward to that video, hit the like and subscribe button, follow me, feel free to leave a comment what phones you need me to restore and stuff like that. I can most likely help you out. I make these videos for you guys. Hopefully it's educational and informative. There you go. So like I said, once you restore this, you go to the gallery and everything's gonna be wiped like a brand new phone. Okay? Hope that was helpful, guys. Hope you liked it. And follow me, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.